Hello everyone. My name is Salwa Fatima. I'm from Ghulam Ahmed College of Education. I'm a second semester B.Ed student. Here at Ghulam Ahmed College of Education, we have done a workshop on LRD, which is Learning Resource Models. We have been attending the workshop for the past 7 days. We got to meet different artisans and people from different backgrounds to teach us how to make working models that will help us in our educational journey. We have learned how to make educational toys, games. We have seen how to do handicraft and different types of model that help us understand our subject and integrate art into our teaching learning methodologies. We have been able to make working models that helps us in understanding how to approach our subject in a creative and fun way.
Hello, everyone. I am a student at Ghulam Ahmed College of Education pursuing my B.Ed in second semester. And today we were having a TLM making session in which we displayed several TLMs based on various activities, which include game based TLMs, vocational TLMs, interactive TLMs, and so on. So I have a few of my TLMs presented here, one of which this is a vocational TLM in which I have demonstrated the structure of DNA using chain stitch and backstitch. Chain stitch is one of the oldest forms and of embroidery, and so is the backstitch, which is one of the oldest forms in embroidery. And in the game-based TLM, I made a snakes and ladder board, and to give it a little twist, I call it the pathogens and phagocytes board to make teaching more interactive. And here we have more interactive charts to make education more fun for all students and make it more interactive. There we have a simple and a whole recap of the entire chapter of cell, where we discuss the different types of cells. And there we stick to match, an interactive activity for students to enjoy learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Fatima. I am from Ghulam Ahmed College of Education. Today we have conducted our TLM exhibition in our college. So these are my models to showcase. So this is my working model for human respiratory system. This is shown like how we breathe in air and breathe out. So basically we breathe in oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. So this is the live working example for human respiratory system. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Huda Siddiqa, and I'm a student of Ghulam Ahmed College of Education. I'm in my second semester right now. So we had to make models as a project for second semester. So these are all my models. So the first one is about angles. These are all the type of angles as you can see. Okay. And then we have the working model. So these are the trigonometric values. And if you spin it, you get all the formulas. And then we have the flashcards, which are these. These are for real numbers. These are the flashcards. And then we have a discovery chart which speaks about the polynomials. So we have the types of polynomials here. And then if we open these boxes, we'll have the examples of those polynomials. And then we have the fact or the superstition board, where basically what we have to do is it's a game where we give you certain formulas, and if these formulas are correct, then you have to stick it in the fact box, and if they are incorrect, then you have to stick it in the superstition box. So these are all the models that we made for our project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Firdos Asmat. I am studying in Ghulam Ahmed College of Education, B.Ed second sem. Today I am representing my models for the exhibition. My first model is about the kidney anatomy. Here is the dissection of the kidney. When you just dissect a kidney, you just see these parts in the kidney. Uh, Here is the full kidney, which is left kidney, and it is the dissected kidney, which shows the different parts like medulla, ureter, and minor and major calyxes, capsule, and cortical blood vessels. So this is the first model, and second model comes, which is the typical cell, human typical cell, representing the different parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, DNA, and endoplasmic reticulum.
I am Vasia Fatima from Ghulam Ahmad, a student of B.Ed second sem. Today we are going to explain the TLM exhibition. So this is an heart. The heart circulates blood by remaining demonstrated from the body, sending the lungs for the oxygenated and then pumping oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, and the process is called the double circulation. It is a supervena cava aorta pulmonary artery. It is an oxygenated blood. It has four veins to arteries and two veins to. So it is an animal cell of an clay model, and it is a working model of digestive system. It is an AITLM scan and learn. We can scan and learn about the cell structure, types of tissue, human heart, human lungs, and it is an games of disease detected. Students can learn by these board games. It is an plant cell. Thank you.
Welcome to EduSpark 2026, a vibrant exhibition of teaching learning materials organized by Ghulam Ahmad College of Education. The exhibition provided an excellent platform for student teachers to showcase their creativity, pedagogical skills, and innovative teaching practices through a wide range of educational resources and classroom learning aids. The exhibition was inaugurated by Professor Athar Hussain, Professor Vikarun Nisa, and Dr. Sahifa Sultana from Maulana Azad National Urdu University in the presence of the director of the college, Professor Vibha Asthana. Following the inauguration, the distinguished guests visited the exhibition halls and carefully evaluated the exhibits prepared by the student teachers. They interacted with the participants, observed the working models, teaching aids, charts, educational games, and activity-based learning materials, and appreciated the creativity, dedication, and educational value reflected in each project. Professor Vibha Asthana also toured the exhibition and encouraged the participants, appreciating their efforts in developing innovative and engaging teaching learning resources. The exhibition was organized across 4 sections. Hall 5 featured teaching materials related to English, Telugu, and Urdu languages. Hall 2 showcased exhibits from biological sciences. The seminar hall displayed projects from social studies and mathematics, while Hall 6 was dedicated to physical sciences. The exhibitions demonstrated how effective teaching learning materials can make classroom instruction more interactive, engaging, and meaningful for students. The event offered an enriching academic experience for future educators, enabling them to apply their knowledge of teaching methodologies and classroom practices in creative and practical ways. Visitors explored the exhibits, interacted with the participants, and gained valuable insights into the educational significance of the projects on display. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Dr. N. Saroja, followed by the presentation of mementos to the guests. The exhibition was successfully coordinated by Ms. Noorul Huda, Mr. Raziuddin, Mrs. Rafia Sultana, Dr. Najma Sultana, and Dr. Sindhu Bhavani. EduSpark 2026 stands as a testament to innovation, creativity, and excellence in teacher education.